Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, we are going to start our second lecture today. Class 6, subject General Science. I am your class teacher, I am your subject teacher, Sadia Naseem from Behriya Foundation College, Nusheira Feroz. Dear students, today our topic is taking measurements. हम measurements क्यों करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, मेजरमेंट्स करने के लिए कौन सी यूनिट्स हैं हमारे पास. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक. स्टूडेंट्स, लुक एट योर बुक पेज नंबर 5. आवर टॉपिक इज टेकिंग मेजरमेंट्स. In everyday life, when we do any experiment, we take observations. Now, how we take observation? We have 5 senses to observe things. We observe, first of all, when we observe anything, first of all we look at its color, its shape, its temperature. All these things are measured. We use our senses. We have 5 senses which we use to measure the objects. But our senses are not so accurate. To get the accurate observation, we need measuring instruments. हमें बिल्कुल सही ऑब्जर्वेशन लेने के लिए इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जिसे हम मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स कहते हैं. वी डोंट डिपेंड एंटायरली ऑन आवर सेंसेस. हम लोग जब भी साइंटिफिक काम करते हैं तो हमें एक्यूरेट आंसर चाहिए होता है. हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि इस चीज़ का वॉल्यूम इतना है या इसका टेम्परेचर इतना है. हमें एक्यूरेट आंसर चाहिए, उसके लिए हमें उसको मेजर करना ज़रूरी है. तो मेजरमेंट्स करने के लिए हम डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज़ करते हैं, जिसे हम मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स कहते हैं. टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट दीज इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ वी मेजर द लेंथ. व्हाट इज द लेंथ? लेंथ होती क्या है? लेंथ ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज, वी कैन से द साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. हाउ टू मेजर? Length of object can be measured with a ruler or tape measure. Look at this. We may have ruler. This is a ruler. We have signs on the ruler 1, 2, 3 centimeter. It may be signs in inches. Or this is a tape measure which helps us to measure the long objects. This may be very long. These are the objects which we use like ruler or tape measure to measure the things length. The unit for measurement of length is meter. M represented by meter. This is the SI unit of the measurement of length. What are the SI unit? It is system international unit which are internationally used to measure the thing. The other units are kilometer, centimeter. You know how many meters are there in a kilometer? 1000. So we can measure long things and short things by the meter. Second is the volume. What is the volume? Volume is the space occupied by an object. We have an object. The space which that object occupies is called its volume. Now object may be regular or may not be regular. How we measure the length of a regular object? To measure the length of a regular object, look at this picture. Look at this picture. To measure the regular objects, look at this. This is a regular object. We take its length, its width and its height. We multiply them and answer will be the volume of this object. It is the case of a regular object. Now how we can measure the volume of a irregular object? To measure the volume of regular object, what we do? हम लेंथ, विड्थ और हाइट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सिंपली हमें इसका वॉल्यूम मालूम हो जाता है. Now how to measure the volume is equal to length multiply with width multiply with height of object. Now irregular volumes. What we do to measure the irregular volumes? To measure the irregular volume, we use the measuring cylinder like this. This is a measuring cylinder. Look at this. This is available in almost every lab. This is measuring cylinder, or this is another measuring instrument which is the beaker. This, which we use to measure the liquid, or which we also use to measure the irregular shaped object. How we measure the irregular shaped object? We take a liquid in the beaker, then we will put the our irregular object. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमें किसी स्टोन का वॉल्यूम मालूम करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, ये वाटर लेके इसके अंदर वो स्टोन डाल देंगे. स्टोन डालने के बाद वाटर का लेवल ऊपर हो जाएगा. कितना ऊपर जाएगा वाटर का लेवल? उतना ही ऊपर जाएगा जितना उस स्टोन का साइज होगा. तो साइज ऑफ स्टोन विल बी मेजर्ड बाय चेंज इन वॉल्यूम इन द बीकर or in the measuring cylinder. So this is the measuring cylinder, which is another instrument used for the measurement of the irregular objects. The unit for the volume is liter, cubic centimeter or milliliter. Liter is used for the liquids. Our third instrument, that is the mass. Third measurement is our mass. What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in something. How much matter is present in something, that is called its mass. The mass is measured by the weighing scale. Weighing scale may be electronic or it may not be electronic, it may be digital. So there are volume of something can be found by using weighing scales or balance. Grams, kilograms are the unit of the mass. What is the SI unit of mass? Is gram. Students, whenever you go outside in market or outside for grocery, you look, these scales are very common. Shopkeepers keep this scale for weighing things. You also have these scales at your home. So our next measuring instrument is the thermometer. What is thermometer and why we use it? Thermometer is instrument which is used to measure the temperature. Now what is temperature? Temperature means how hot is something. कोई चीज़ कितनी गर्म है. It is measured by the temperature. The unit, SI unit of the temperature is Celsius, Fahrenheit. Another unit is the Kelvin. Another unit is Kelvin. 0 Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. Okay. Now our next unit is time. Time can be measured with stopwatch, clock or stop clock. SI unit of time is second. Understand? You have clock at your home. Many players also use stopwatch to measure the time, or stopwatch are also used in the labs to measure any instrument. So time of any experiment. Sorry. It was our lecture today. Now what is your homework? Your homework is you have to solve this exercise today. Question number 1 of exercise: why do scientists use measuring instrument? Scientists use measuring instrument to measure things accurately. Without instruments, if we use our senses to measure things, that may not be very accurate. तो एक्यूरेटली मेजरमेंट, ये बहुत ठीक तरीके से बिल्कुल ठीक मेजरमेंट्स करने के लिए आपको मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ करना पड़ता है. विच यूनिट्स आर यूज टू मेजर वॉल्यूम, लेंथ, मास, टाइम, टेम्परेचर? आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी इन आवर लेक्चर. फॉर वॉल्यूम क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, फॉर लेंथ मीटर, फॉर मास ग्राम, किलोग्राम, फॉर टाइम सेकेंड, एंड फॉर टेम्परेचर डिग्री सेल्सियस और डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. Which measuring instrument would you use to measure all these objects?